Hey y'all, I'm Tiffany Davis, and if you're visiting my channel for the first time, welcome! If you like stories, I have a short one for you, so here goes. On January 12th, 2023, my life changed when I started using doTERRA's essential oils and products. After trying too many programs that didn't work, I went all in, wanting to lose weight, and I got way more than I asked for. So by my second month, I knew what my mission was, to share my story and these beautiful products with the world. Fast forward to mid-April of this year, I discovered my passion for healthy skin, not just on the surface, but from the inside out. So, if you have trouble finding a product that won't harm your skin or won't cause any negative reactions, look no further, because I just might have what you're looking for. In this space, you'll learn not only about the basics of essential oils, but also how you can incorporate them into your daily lifestyle, especially skincare. Skin is our biggest organ, and here you'll receive all the tools to keep it looking and feeling healthy. On a side note, I love to sing, and since I recently researched that singing helps increase blood flow, as well as exercises your facial muscles so your skin looks more toned and energetic, I've decided to post music covers on here every other weekend. Y'all seem to enjoy what I've put out in the past, so I'll continue to do that. Oh yes, be on the lookout for more great things on this channel. My upcoming newsletter launch, oh my gosh, oil of the week, DIYs, and more. With that said, I thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like, share with your loved ones, and subscribe to keep the life of this channel going. Your support is so appreciated. Until next time, have a great day. Bye now.